Guangzhou WELLMAX Household Corp. Limited was founded in 1995, more than 25 years of non-cyanide kitchen pull-out baskets production history, and achieve over 50 patents. Our factory is more than 180,000 square meter. We're located in Naisha district, next to Naisha port. WELLMAX production base has 10 automatic full process control hardware production line. The production supplies more than 600 million pieces to meet the well-known enterprises, brand operators, product development, custom production of large demand. Our company has implemented ISO 9001 management, 6S site management, and all processes are run through ERP and digitization. Our product design and productions R&D team are more than 60 people. This aspects to develop and design practical products, both independent research and development products, and OEM for customers, and we owns the patent of pull-down basket. We have strict quality control system which guarantees the delivery of every finished product and various inspection and testing equipment such as salt spray test equipment, product life test, inspection of raw materials and accessories. Strict product quality control standards to ensure that products manufactured passing rate of 99.8% or more. Efficient internal communication and quality control helps us solve problems and serve our client better. WELLMAX's products cover kitchen space, wardrobe space, bar space, and bathroom space. Here we committed to provide the suitable solution for you. WELLMAX makes our living space more convenient and comfortable. Choose us, choose a more comfortable home life.